Hi there and welcome back to my channel where I talk entirely about natural hair and natural hair care. So if you are interested in that, go down below and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so you get notified every single time that I post a new video because you don't want to miss it. I just finished my wash day routine and I was just thinking to myself like, what style will we do today? And then I realized that I haven't done cornrows in such a long time. So I decided, you know what? Let's do cornrows. And I decided to do a little tutorial for y'all because y'all, knowing how to do your own hair is a whole flex on its own, and unfortunately a lot of naturals still don't know how to do their own hair. So I decided to do this little tutorial for y'all. Hopefully, my dear natural who is watching, this helps you out. Alright, first I'm going to start by parting my hair into two sections because it just makes things a whole lot easier. I can start with one side and then move on to the next side, and before I know it, I'm done. To start, I'm going to part the first section, and you want to make sure your parting is as straight as possible. I'm using a mirror to do the front, but the back I'm totally guessing, just using my fingers to feel around and hope that it is straight. I couldn't see what I was doing right now, so I think I tried for somebody who can't see what they're doing. My hair is already properly moisturized, so I'm just going to detangle that section, and this is important because you don't want any tangles while you are doing your cornrows. It will be very frustrating to detangle your hair then, so just detangle the section first. So now I want to start the actual cornrow. Ignore my choppy edges, just focus on what I'm about to do, okay? So I'm going to take the very first part, the beginning part of the section, right like that, and I'm going to divide that into three. Okay, so this is the part where you need to concentrate. You see those three pieces over there? You want to take the piece on the right, reach under the one in the middle, and grab the one at the left. As you can see, we've performed a little exchange. That one at the middle over there has become the one at the left. So it has become the new left. Now you take that left, reach under the middle and grab the right side. Then you reach under the middle, grab the other side. And remember, as you are reaching under the middle to grab the other piece, you are grabbing a little more hair with that piece. And see, I'm just realizing now that my hands are covering everything that I'm supposed to be explaining. So let me try this again from another angle. I've done a few more cornrows, so I'm at the middle now, and hopefully as I'm trying to explain, you'll be able to get what I am saying and see more clearly. Because in the other clip, y'all couldn't see what I was doing. My fat hands were all over the place. So we're gonna try this again. Alright, so like I said before, you take the front of the section and divide it into three pieces. You can start from either the left or right piece, dive under the middle piece and grab the opposite piece. Notice that what used to be the middle piece is now on the side. Then from that side, you reach under the middle piece and grab the opposite end again. And then you just keep going from there. Reach under the middle piece, grab the opposite end. Then what used to be the middle that is now the side, you grab it, then reach under the middle again and grab the opposite end. And each time you are grabbing an opposite end, you are grabbing some more hair from the back with it. That is what is going to give it that cornrow look. That's what is going to make it flat and continuous to the back like a cornrow. Otherwise, you just be doing a regular braid. Let me go over it again and slow it down for y'all. So like I said, the piece that used to be in the middle when you grab the opposite end now becomes a side. You grab it, reach under the new middle and grab the opposite piece. Also know that every time you dive under the middle piece, you grab a little bit of hair from the back. Then you reach under the middle again, grab the opposite end, reach under the middle again, grab the opposite end, reach under the middle, grab the opposite end, reach under the middle, grab the opposite end. And each time you are reaching under the middle, you are using your finger to grab a little more hair. Then you just keep going, repeating that process all the way down till you're done. With both your arms up and active, it can get a little tiring for your back and your neck, but you just gotta keep pushing. This is why I always detangle the section before I start to cornrow. It's because eventually the cornrow will get thicker, and if at this point your hair is not detangled, it's going to be very stressful because tangles will form as you are doing the cornrows, and you have to deal with them while doing the cornrows, which can get super stressful for you. So make sure you detangle your hair before you start cornrowing. It's the same technique when you get to the back. Dive under the middle, grab the other end. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I really think that I did a very good job, and I hope that I did a good job at explaining it to you as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you still haven't, then go down and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment, and share this video with every single person you know in your life. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.